LTD Construction and Development, the only one licensed contractor in Habonga with pickup license number 39771 with office address at ground floor LGTD Building, Purok 1A, Barangay Baligyan, Habonga, Agusan del Norte, owned and managed by LGTD Company OPC. For more info, please visit our website www.lgtdcompany.com or email us at lgtdcompany@yahoo.com with telephone numbers 085-226-9503 with mobile number 0916-218-6849.
Aray! Kasakit sa akong rayuma.
Haplasi o Gold Liniment Oil. Ang Gold Liniment Oil gigama sa gabon, himag, kalabo, citronella, dulaw, panyawan, bila-bila, lagundi, hilbas, moringa o gagunoy. Gold Liniment Oil. Ang gipanalinginang lanang Gold Liniment Oil mapalit diha sa Gold Radio Habonga.
Gold Liniment Oil. Number one, Lana Gold Liniment Oil. Number one. Ayaw kang haplas sa rayuma. Arthritis pa
Gold Liniment Oil mapalit diha sa Gold Radio, Cawadbaran City.
This is Gold.
Broadcasting live from the heart of Habonga, the number one station in Lake Mainit. This is 102.1 MHz Gold Radio Broadcasting Station. Basta naka Gold Radio ka, sikat ka.
Gold Radio!